All right. So I wanted to check in with you guys because I started to go off on the track and I didn't want to do too much and leave you guys in the dust because I started to get really inspired and I came up with the super saw lead and a piano lead. I think I'm going to keep it sort of like a classic anthem sort of format as far as the lead goes. I'm not sure if it's too repetitive, but I think we can get away with basically pounding the same melody in over and over again. But it's going to require us to do it carefully and in a way that it doesn't get too repetitive. Anyways, enough talking. I'm going to show you the track as it is. We also have a piano part, and the only thing I haven't added yet is vocals. And we'll let the track play out again. So now that you can hear it with the additions, I think it does sound it's pretty full, but I think once we start adding some vocals and finalize some things, it's going to be nearly there. And yeah, okay, enough talking. And we're back. So I spent a little bit of time working on a vocal part. It's definitely not complete yet. I'm going to spend more time fleshing this idea out, but I'm using this vocal tool called Exhale. It is a contact instrument, which means it's a VST that sits inside the contact player from Native Instruments. Exhale is really great because it's a synth that essentially or we'll call it like an engine that can generate lots of vocal sounds. And this is the sound that I got out of this patch. Oh, and we have it going. Sorry, we have it going through a filter as well, just to create some interest throughout the mix. So here's what it sounds like in the mix. So that's the vocal part I came up with. Again, for now, I will probably make it a little bit more interesting as I mess around with it because there are some nice sounds I was getting out of it. But for now, I kind of like the idea of this like sort of repeating, echoing vocal hit. What do you call those things? I think, yeah, they're just called like vocal hits. Those little ah and ooh type of vocal sounds. And then we also added our piano part here. Nice soft little piano melody. And when we put that with the bass and pads, we put the pads in. Ah, isn't that pretty? It's just so nice. I love the combination of synthesizer pads and piano drenched in reverb and echo or delay. And yes, trance is just such a beautiful, beautiful music genre. So thank you guys for hanging out with me again. If you have any questions at all, if there's anything that you want me to explain in a future video, if you want me to get more into the structure of trance or how I come up with some of these ideas, feel free to drop it in the comments. So whatever you guys need help with, just let me know. I'm sort of just making these videos right now to start a discussion, if anything. I mean, I'm just making the music. You guys can watch, hang out, and whatever questions, if this inspires you to make your own trance, then that's what it's about. Because people might say, "Oh, this genre is dead. That genre is dead," but no genre is ever truly going to die, because as long as somebody's out there making it, as long as people are out there supporting it, then it still has a chance. And so by me showing you and other people, it allows other people to make it, right? And it keeps the genre alive. And so my goal is to keep this genre alive, help you guys make your trance productions, help you guys get signed. And I'm curious to see if we can get this track signed. I feel like this is potentially good enough. I might actually just send it right into State Control Records, but I feel like my last release took about a year. So I'm thinking maybe I might shop it around to a couple different labels. I do have one or two labels in mind. Hint, if you see this sound pack here, but I don't know. I don't know if it's good enough for certain labels, but we'll see. You know, we just send it out. I'll show you guys what happens, and we'll see what kind of feedback we get. But anyways, thanks for hanging out. Come and join me in the next video, where I think we're going to put together the rest of the track as far as like the drop. We're going to work on the build up, and I'm trying to think what else. I guess we'll just kind of take it from there and see what the track needs and what's missing. All right. Hey, see you guys in the next video.